Hi everyone, welcome to EdgeTech. Today, I'll walk you through three powerful tools from AOMEI. We have the AOMEI Cloner, the AOMEI Fast Recovery, and the AOMEI Partition Assistant. The link to these amazing softwares are in the description. Let me break it down for you in the simple terms and you know what exactly they do. First, we have the AOMEI Cloner. This one comes with a clean dark blue interface with only two tabs. We have the Clone tab and the Tools tab. In the Clone tab, there is System Clone, which enables you to migrate your whole disk to another disk, which of course includes the operating system. If you want to clone, click on System Clone, select the destination that you want your system to be cloned to, click on Next, read the caution, click on OK, then follow the instructions to clone. Now there is the disk clone, which helps you make a copy of one disk onto another. If you want to use that, click on disk clone, select your source, which is the drive that you want to clone, select it, click on Next, select your destination, which is the place that you want it to be cloned to, then follow the instructions. And finally, there is partition clone, which makes a copy of a partition to another disk. It also follows the same trend. Click on partition clone, select your source, which is the disk that you want to make partition of. Click on Next, read the caution, click on Yes, then select your destination, then click on Next, follow the instructions, then you're good to go. There's the Tools tab where you can create bootable media, and at the top you have a drop-down menu where you can check your settings, you can reload or refresh the interface, then you have the register, check for updates, and then the about. And next we move to the AOMEI Fast Recovery, which is a recovery software. It has three main divisions. That's the data recovery, advanced recovery, and recovery assistance. So at the data recovery, we have the hard disk recovery, which has the quick access folders where you can easily click on to recover lost data. These are specific folders that are readily available for recovery. And this is where all the drives connected to the computer appear. Now there is the USB/USD card recovery, which is only for removable storage devices. And at the advanced recovery, we have the partition loss recovery, which restores missing or inaccessible partitions, which can happen after accidental deletion or maybe corruption. Then we have the PC crashed recovery, which lets you recover data from a computer that won't start, basically using a bootable recovery disk. Then finally, we have the help section, which helps you when you get stuck. It has FAQs which guides you through your activities. And next on the list, that's the AOMEI Partition Assistant. From the top has the apply button, which needs to be clicked before any action would be performed. The next we have the undo and redo buttons as well. We have clone button for migration and cloning. We have disk converters, which are used to switch between basically these file structures. We have free up, which has cleaning options, recover, which has options for recovering and fixing depending on your preferred method, which you definitely have to try. We have the wipe, and this has options for different erasing styles. There's the test, which is used for disk diagnosis, and the tool button, which has options for other useful utilities. And at the right side, we have these options that I've already talked about. I think the only thing is disk defrag, which is basically disk defragmentation is done to help in the performance of the computer. Then when you click on any of the disks at the right side, you see different options, right? So we have the split partition for divisions. We have resize or move partition for extending your partitions to other spaces available in the disk. One click adjust space, which is also used for getting space from the other unallocated, whether allocated or unallocated spaces around. Then we have clone partition, which I've already talked about. There's the BitLocker encryption, which is used to put passwords on your disk. There's the allocate free space, which is used for basically giving spaces which might not be available or might not appear. Then we have the allocate space, which is used to set labels for unavailable spaces. Then we have app mover, which basically is used to move apps from one destination to the other, and then it gives you some cool features. You can read about it from this dialog box. And then we have the advanced option, which has change label for changing the name of the disk, merge partition for merging partitions. They're just self-explanatory. Change serial numbers, partition alignment, check partition for some diagnosis, and then this defrag partition, which I've already talked about. This space has all the drives connected to the computer. Then you can check the status, the alignment, the spaces, and everything here. So this is a quick look at this AOMEI product. Each one of them makes managing, backing up, and recovery very simple and effective. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. We are H Tech and you are the reason. Thanks for watching.